Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a miniature Lego grill. Here are the pieces you will need. First, you will need this piece and these three pieces, and place them like this. Kind of looks like a couch, almost. Then, turn that around and place the Lego pants on, but make sure to flip them around so that the holes are facing you, like that. Then, place your two of these pieces at the end, like that. Do that on both sides. Then you'll place this piece right there. Once you are done with that, move on to putting two of these pieces on each side, like that. Then put one of these reflective pieces into the middle, and it doesn't have to be reflective, I just choose for mine too, like that. And then put this piece on top, like that. And there you have it, a cute little Lego grill for your Lego characters to grill on all day. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!